months, we have been talking about how we need more rain. Now that it's here, it's hard to find people complaining about it, and add some music, and their spirits are really lifted. Here's Mike McCardle with tonight's last word.
Even snow is better. Sunshine is much better, but there is a way out.
Sing it in the rain, just sing it in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
See Wet But Happy from a song written 70 years ago.
Just singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
The ultimate in looking up. And Johnny with just a touch of coaching. The song and now the singer.
I'm Johnny. I've been here 30 years. I came from Cuba in 1993, and I love it here.
Happy rain there, happy rain here. Elizabeth and Norman from Prince George. Oh, that's wonderful. And one more. Yeah.
I'm sorry,
That's okay. What a glorious feeling. Say that. I'm happy again. See, it's one of Hollywood's all-time best, even when performed locally in the rain. Mike McCardle, CTV News.
Is Mike going to start his own musical? What's going on?
I think so. Well, he knows all the words, but we never hear Mike singing, do we?
No, that should be the next last word. He always gets other people to sing.
Yeah. Very convenient, Mike.
Everyone knew the song, which is crazy.
And Anne's rendition of Umbrella was
So
perfect. It was
good.
spot on.
So stellar, yeah. I won't be singing in the rain, though. We will see more of the rain tomorrow. Here comes the